Model, 2019 Ford Transit 350L3 diesel front-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi 130ps H2 van. ULEZ compliant, non-runner. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 72,394. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130 psa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner. Timing belt has snapped. Engine will need repairing, worth putting in the effort to get this back to its former glory. Tar struck. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £12,495. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or